let's set this baby up. So I'm here, I'm just gonna finish my coffee and then I'm gonna check out some gear. I think we might even set up the tent because I haven't set it up yet, and I thought I'd come to this beautiful spot up on a hill somewhere, and we're gonna set the tent up. So let's see how that goes. That should be quite comical. Now this is the first time I've set this tent up, so we're gonna see how she goes. Okay guys, that took me maybe 5 minutes. I didn't even look in the instructions. So that's the tent. So home is made for the trip. Now I'm gonna put the fly on top. First tent off of Amazon that I purchased. I did watch a lot of reviews. I did do a lot of YouTube stuff on this. I'm very happy so far with what I've got. This tent I think will be perfect. There's a little bit of space here which gives you some coverage for like my panniers and stuff. When I take them off, I can put them there in case there's any rain. It'll keep them dry from the dew. So I'm very happy with that. Let's have a look inside. It's got some great features. This is a great idea how they've got this loop here, this peg. I guess I forget what they're called, but I remember seeing them on coats back in the day. That's a great idea. The zipper seems fine. Again, this tent, I don't know, it's like $100. But inside it looks great. There's lots of air movement through it. I don't know, it's a 2-3 season, but I think it would keep you quite warm, especially with a good sleeping bag. I'll give you a little tour here. Now let's have a look inside. There's a little bag there for some stuff. There's a little thing to hang some stuff here. So again, you got nice ventilation. Way back. Oh yeah. There's the view from the top. This is okay. I can be cozy in here. There's already one ant in here. I don't know how he got in here already. But no, I'm very, very happy with the setup here. Let's go see what the sleeping bag and the air mattress looks like.